absolutely right. They can see 2 runways, yeah. There's 2 runways in there.
But that's not the one we're landing at.
Actually, maybe.
Actually, yeah.
It could be, yeah. Because we need to go out to sea and turn around, so you might be right. I think it is.
Yeah, I'm
I
right.
think it is Gran Canaria, yeah. It is.
Or even where could we go to the hotel?
See a runway? Yep. See if you lean back, Ethan. There's Kayla, what's Kayla see? Yeah. That's our runway, so what we do is we go out to sea, and down, and in. You can see. That's our airport, mate.
I was right the first time.
Yes,
then?
you're right, yeah.
I'm always right.
Do we go over tunnel?
We're going to be turning like this for a wee 2 minutes maybe.
That's cool, man. Like that.
It's like your ears are popped, but it's really
Yeah.
not.
We're going to fly past it, we say.
Yeah. Oh, there's a plane taking off for me.
Is it?
Me.
Oh, it's landing, I've taken off. We don't know, do we? I'll just leave it. Where's the plane? No, it's slowing down.
Oh, it's landed then. We could have seen it.
Ah, you see it now? Right TV over there.
Are we on top of the clouds still yet?
Oh, that's technique. See where all the white buildings are?
Yeah.
I think that's potentially where we are. Actually, no, I'm lying. It's not at all.
It's like over there. It's
Yeah.
not like
Yeah, we're quite a wee bit away from.
the airport. We have to go on that turn here maybe.
So what we do is we go out to sea and we do a big right turn.
Well, just a right turn.
Can you see the airport when you go forward? No?
Yeah.
It's so far in the back.
When I lean forward, I can see it. But when we're going to do the turnabout now,
I think we'll turn in a wee sec.
what?
There we go. Big right turn, it's going to be a steep right turn. Hold my hand.
Oh.
Look at the sea below you, look. Whoa.
What's that?
Engine, going up, down, up, down.
here.
I think we'll get a wee bit inland slightly. Oh, here we go.
Here we go again.
Can you see the airport here?
Aye.
Okay. Oh, it's a big steep turn again. Oh, wow.
You think this would be a hard approach for them?
Not at all, no. I think the air brakes will be on. They still need to do another right turn.
Do you think the land would be rough?
Hope not.
I don't know. We just have to do a wee turn here, don't we?
Yeah, another right turn. There's the wheels getting down. Feel it? Oh, big right turn. Oh. You right?
Yeah.
My ears just popped.
Yeah, this year's fine for me, but this year's hot.
All they do is stick up.
Oh, you don't hear anything?
I'm not sure.
You do hear a big...
Oh, look down there.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Pilot's still on fire. This is the computer doing it now. My pilots will fly the last kind of mile or two.
What's that?
This is all autopilots. See when it starts going this? That's the pilots are flying.
By now?
Not now, no. Down there.